Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Well, I'm super excited. As you can see, I have a ton of stuff on my table here to decorate my coffee bar with, and I'm also going to be incorporating a hot cocoa bar. So I'm really excited about that because this year I'm going to be hosting Thanksgiving dinner, and I'm going to have a lot of family over, so I want everybody to enjoy the hot cocoa and coffee bar. So I want to share with you guys how I'm going to decorate and all the things. I have a ton of stuff. I'm putting a lot of stuff on my coffee bar this year, and what I absolutely love, because last year I did not Ray Dunn hunt. I had no Ray Dunn Christmas items at all, so I'm excited to put my Ray Dunn mugs on my coffee bar this year. This one says cocoa. I have 2 of them, and I'm going to use probably about 4 on my coffee bar on my little mug rack. And then I have the Santa, and then I have Jingle Bells. And I did find these over at Home Goods, and those are $5.99 on the mugs. And then this came from Lowe's. This is probably about 2 years old. This is really cute. The little truck with the farmhouse Christmas in there, super adorable. I think I got this for maybe around $20, and I believe it lights up, but it's one of those little, yeah, the lights are out on that one. But this is so adorable. I absolutely love this. And then, let's see, I have so much stuff here. These came from Kirkland a couple years ago. I've had these on my coffee bar once before. I love using these. They light up. And what I did this year, I took my extra little alphabet that I had, this little inspired Ray Dunn font, and I decided to put the little words on there. So this one I put Jolly. And then the other one that I have here, I put Christmas. So that was pretty easy to do. You can find these over at Estes, the little alphabet. You can either buy words that are Ray Dunn inspired, or you can get the whole alphabet lettering and make your own words yourself. So I thought that was cute to go on there. And this here, this little bit of Christmas, I guess it's part of a garland with the little pine cones. Now I had this up in the attic. It's really, really super long. So what I did was I wasn't using it for anything. So I thought, you know what? I'll just cut it. I'll wrap it around, and I'm going to be using this on the stand that I have here. And I think this stand came from Home Goods. Again, these are some of the items that I already had for probably about a year or so. And I'm going to set that right on there like that. And then I am going to be using a tray to put some items in. And again, I think this was from Home Goods. Home Goods has some really nice stuff this year. And then, of course, I had to go out and buy me a new jar because the one I had last year, I put it in my closet, and of course it cracked. So I had to go out and buy another one. This one came from Hobby Lobby. I think this was priced $29.99. Normally they'll have their items 50% off, but this was not on sale, so I got 40% off. I used the coupon. So you can always get one item, regular price item, for 40% off. They have a coupon. It's always available to get that. So I picked up that because that's gonna go my hot chocolate. So I just picked up the Nestle Quick. That always tastes really good. So I'm gonna fill up my jar with the Nestle Quick. And then these little jars here, I picked up over at the Dollar Tree. These are some items that I've already had. So I put the little Ray Dunn font on there that says marshmallows. And then I put the one on this one that says peppermint. So I'm gonna be using marshmallows, peppermint, and filling this up with chocolate. And then I have this cute little sign that will go on my mug rack. And let's see, I have the marshmallows from Walmart. You can get these for around $1. And I had bad luck at Walmart finding the little peppermint little crumbles. So what I did was I had some peppermint candy that I got from Walmart. So I decided last night I would just crush these up because I made a peppermint mocha drink. And I wanted to put some little candies on top and didn't have any. And I was hunting around for these, and I finally found them. So I thought, you know what? I'll crumble these up and I'll use that until I'll probably go over to Publix, and I'm sure I'll be able to find them over at Publix. And then I have a few little things here. These little presents are gonna look really cute on there. These came from Hobby Lobby. Now Hobby Lobby has all their Christmas stuff 50% off. So that's a pretty good deal. And I have the little reindeer, the little red and black check that I'll be incorporating. And then of course, I've got to have some Ray Dunn. So I'll be using my cream and my sugar bowl. And let's see, I have this little tree here. It lights up. I absolutely love this because this has little lights on it. And again, these are items that I had from last year, probably 2 years now. And this is probably could have came from Hobby Lobby. And I really like that. And I think that's gonna look really cute. And then I have this little cookie stand, whatever you want to put in there. This is really cute. I purchased this over at Walmart online. This was probably a couple months ago. Wanted something a little bit bigger, but you know what? This will actually work on the coffee bar quite well because it is small. And then online, I picked up these little muffins, and you might have seen these before. I've hauled these before. You can get these in a six pack off of, I think, Amazon. And I'm gonna use about 3 of them because that's all I can fit in there. But I love these. They look so realistic, these little muffins here. And they're really cute on the coffee bar. And let's see, I have a few little items here that I'm gonna incorporate. I got a little candy cane here. These are just plastic. These came from Joann's. You've seen these. I was using these for my little mug toppers. And I think I'm gonna use these probably just inside my little creamer, just to add a little red color. Well, the next item I have is this adorable pillow. You can find these over at Walmart. They come in a 2-pack for $10.88. I thought that was a great deal. You get 2 pillows, and this one says Farm Fresh, and it says Christmas tree, cut and carry. This is so adorable that I'm gonna use this on my bottom shelf on my coffee bar. Now, the other pillow that comes with it is just a solid pillow, and it has the little buffalo check there. And then over at Kirkland's, I absolutely love these pictures. These are so cute. The little snowman picture, and they have different prints. This one is priced $15.99, but they did have all their pictures and Christmas items 50% off. So I got that for around $8, and I just absolutely love this little snowman. And then the other one I picked up is the little red truck. This is so cute. I love this as well. And then back over at Hobby Lobby, when I was there the other day, what an adorable idea, using a little sleigh to put all your little K-cups in. Now this one was priced $19.99, but I purchased it for $10. It was half price. And then last year, this is the only thing I purchased last year that was Rae Dunn. This was after the season was over with. They ran all the Rae Dunn Christmas. I think it was 50% off, and I purchased a little tree. So I'll incorporate that little tree probably on my bottom shelf. Along with this little Rae Dunn plaque here that I have, it says Be Merry and Bright, and this was priced $9.99, and I got this over at Home Goods. And then just a couple little odds and ends. I have a little stand that I'll be using, and then I have another one of these little trees. I love these little trees to decorate with. And then I have a couple things already on the coffee bar, so let me share with you what's already there, and then we'll get started decorating. Well, here's a couple items I have just above the coffee bar. Now this sign here came from Walmart about 2 years ago. It says hot cocoa, always homemade, extra marshmallows, 5 cents. I think this is the perfect picture for a hot cocoa and coffee bar. It is so cute. And I think I hung the picture a little too high, so I didn't want to put any more nails in the wall. So I went over to Dollar Tree and picked up these little snowflakes. I think that worked out just perfect. I just hung them just underneath the picture. And then I have my shelf here that I'll be decorating, and then these hooks to add my Rae Dunn mugs to. So let's go ahead and decorate my coffee bar. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some decorating ideas and inspiration. I absolutely love the way this turned out. I am so excited. I can't wait for my family and my friends to come over and have a hot cup of coffee or some hot chocolate from my coffee bar. Now, you're going to have to come back next week and see me because we'll be decorating my mantle for Christmas. And I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. And until next time, happy decorating.